Bitcoin has been making headlines for several years now, with its value fluctuating rapidly and unexpectedly. Recently, it climbed on Monday evening, topping the key psychological level of $30,000 as investors awaited key inflation data later in the week that could steer crypto prices. This article will discuss why Bitcoin is surging again and what this means for the future of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin surges 7% to $30,193.25 for the first time since June. According to Coinmetrics, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap rose 7% to $30,193.25 for the first time since June 2022. This surge in price could be attributed to a number of factors, including renewed interest from institutional investors, increased adoption by businesses and individuals, and the growing popularity of cryptocurrency as a whole. Renewed interest from institutional investors. Institutional investors, such as hedge funds and asset managers, have been increasingly interested in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in recent years. This is partly due to the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency as a legitimate asset class, as well as the potential for high returns. According to a recent report from CoinShares, institutional investors have poured over $5 billion into cryptocurrency funds in the first half of 2021 alone, with Bitcoin accounting for the lion's share of these investments. This renewed interest from institutional investors could be a driving force behind Bitcoin's recent surge in price. Increased adoption by businesses and individuals. Another factor that may be contributing to Bitcoin's recent surge in price is increased adoption by businesses and individuals. More and more companies are beginning to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, with big names such as Tesla, PayPal, and Microsoft all jumping on board in recent years. Additionally, individuals are increasingly turning to Bitcoin as a way to store value and protect against inflation. With central banks around the world printing money at unprecedented rates, many people are looking for alternative stores of value that can protect their wealth over the long term. Bitcoin, with its limited supply and decentralized nature, is seen by many as an attractive option. Growing popularity of cryptocurrency as a whole. Finally, the growing popularity of cryptocurrency as a whole may be contributing to Bitcoin's recent surge in price. As more and more people become interested in cryptocurrency, they may naturally turn to Bitcoin as the most well-known and established cryptocurrency on the market. This growing interest in cryptocurrency is reflected in the market as a whole, with the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies recently surpassing $2 trillion for the first time. This is a significant milestone for the cryptocurrency industry and suggests that it may be here to stay. What does this mean for the future of the cryptocurrency market? So, what does Bitcoin's recent surge in price mean for the future of the cryptocurrency market? While it's impossible to say for sure, there are a few key takeaways. First, Bitcoin's recent surge in price suggests that there is still significant demand for cryptocurrency, even after the market experienced a major downturn in 2018. This is a positive sign for the long-term viability of the cryptocurrency market. Second, the growing interest from institutional investors suggests that cryptocurrency is becoming more mainstream and is no longer just a fringe investment for tech-savvy individuals. This increased legitimacy could help to attract more investors and further drive up prices. Finally, the growing adoption of cryptocurrency by businesses and individuals suggests that there is a real use case for these digital assets beyond simply speculating on their price. As more businesses and individuals begin to use cryptocurrency for everyday transactions, it could become an increasingly important part of the global financial system. Key inflation data could steer crypto prices. Bitcoin's recent surge in price to top $30,000 comes ahead of key inflation data that could steer crypto prices. Many investors are eagerly awaiting this data, which is expected to be released later in the week, as it could have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. Inflation has been a major concern for many investors in recent months, as central banks around the world have been printing money at unprecedented rates in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. This has led to fears of inflation and a potential devaluation of traditional currencies. Many investors see cryptocurrency as a potential hedge against inflation, as its limited supply and decentralized nature make it resistant to government intervention and manipulation. As a result, any significant changes in inflation data could have a significant impact on cryptocurrency prices. James Lavish, managing partner at the Bitcoin Opportunity Fund, believes that if Bitcoin pushes through the mid to high 30s with conviction, A move into the mid to high 30s will be likely, and could force short speculators to cover and buy instead. This could create a snowball effect that drives prices even higher. What does this mean for Bitcoin investors? For Bitcoin investors, the recent surge in price and the potential impact of key inflation data highlights the importance of staying up to date with market trends and events. While it's impossible to predict exactly what will happen, keeping a close eye on inflation data and other key economic indicators could help investors make more informed decisions about their investments. Additionally, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency is a highly volatile and speculative asset. While Bitcoin's recent surge in price is certainly exciting, it's important to approach investing in cryptocurrency with caution and to not invest more than you can afford to lose. Conclusion: Bitcoin's recent surge in price to top $30,000 for the first time since June is a positive sign for the future of the cryptocurrency market. It suggests that there is still significant demand for cryptocurrency, even after the market experienced a major downturn in 2018. Additionally, the growing interest from institutional investors, increased adoption by businesses and individuals, and the growing popularity of cryptocurrency as a whole all suggest that this industry has a bright future ahead. However, investors should approach cryptocurrency with caution and stay up to date with market trends and events. Inflation data, in particular, could have a significant impact on cryptocurrency prices, so it's important to keep a close eye on these developments. Overall, the future of cryptocurrency remains uncertain, but there are many reasons to be optimistic. As the market continues to evolve and mature, it will be interesting to see how these trends develop and what the future holds for cryptocurrency investors.